Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcus and I make Twitch and Kick tutorial videos to help streamers grow their audience and improve their live streams. Today is July 7th, 2026, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the 3 best websites to buy Kick followers in 2026. I compared them based on price, delivery speed, quality of followers, customer support. I'll also show you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to order Kick followers from my top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 3, Social Plug. Social Plug is a popular website that offers services for multiple social media platforms, including Kick. Pro, simple and beginner-friendly website, fast delivery, multiple follower packages, secure checkout cons, more expensive than many competitors, limited payment discounts. Customer support response can sometimes take longer during busy periods. Pricing packages generally start at around $4, $6 for smaller follower packages, and increase depending on quantity. Number 2, Media Mister has been around for many years and supports dozens of social media platforms. Pros, long-established company, wide variety of social media services. Worldwide customer base. Good customer support. Cons, delivery can be slower than competitors. Website feels slightly outdated. Prices are usually higher than average pricing. Kick follower packages generally begin at approximately $5, depending on the package selected. Number 1, Followers Panda. My number 1 recommendation for buying Kick followers in 2026 is Followers Panda. It has become one of the most trusted websites for Twitch and Kick growth services. The ordering process is simple, delivery is fast, and they support multiple payment methods. Pros, very fast delivery, real-looking follower profiles, multiple package sizes, secure website, live chat support, Stripe, PayPal, crypto and wallet payments. Discount available when paying with wallet. Clean and easy to use dashboard. Cons, no completely free trial. Premium packages cost more than entry-level packages. Pricing packages start from only a few dollars and increase depending on the number of followers you purchase. Now let me show you exactly how to buy Kick followers from Followers Panda. As you can see, this Kick account currently has only 76 followers. Let's increase that. Open your browser, go to Google, search for Followers Panda, open the official website. From the menu, click on Buy Kick Followers. You'll now see several follower packages. Choose the package that matches your budget. For this demonstration, I'll select 100 Kick followers. Click Checkout. Now enter your Kick username. Next, enter your email address. Click Proceed to Checkout. Followers Panda will send a verification code to your email. Open your inbox, copy the verification code, return to the website, paste the code, create your password, confirm your password. Click Proceed to Checkout again. Now you'll arrive at the payment page. Here you'll see several payment methods. Stripe, PayPal, Wallet. Stripe offers a discount. PayPal includes an additional processing fee. If you already have funds in your Followers Panda wallet, you'll receive the biggest discount. For this example, I'll add funds using cryptocurrency. After completing the payment, I'll refresh the page. As you can see, my wallet balance has been updated successfully. Now I'll select Wallet as the payment method. Click Pay. That's it. The order has been placed successfully. To track the progress, go to My Orders. Initially, you'll see the order showing as processing. Let's head back to the Kick profile. A few moments later, refresh the page. The followers have started arriving. At the beginning of this video, this account had 76 followers. Now it has 178 followers. The order has been delivered successfully. For me, Followers Panda offers the best combination of price, delivery speed, customer support, and overall reliability. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.